Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to secure your Shopify store. The number one step is always use a strong and unique password for your Shopify admin account. Avoid using the same password you use on others' websites like social medias, emails, and etc. A strong password is your first line of defense against hacking attempts. Then, turn on the two-step authentication or 2FA for your Shopify account. You can access this by clicking your name or store name, then go to My Store Admin. Go to Security. There you go. So this adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code along with your password. Even if someone gets your password, they still can't log in without your code or the code that it sends. Only give access to people who truly need it. Remove old staff accounts immediately and limit permissions based on the role. This reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your store. By the way, outdated themes or apps can have security vulnerabilities, so always update your Shopify theme and your installed apps regularly. Install apps only from trusted developers and delete any apps you no longer use. Enable the SSL on your Shopify store. SSL encrypts sensitive information like passwords and payment details, keeping customer data safe during checkout. On a regular basis, check the Shopify activity log, either the store activity log or your user activity log. This helps you spot suspicious logins, unexpected changes, or unauthorized activity earlier. Only connect third-party services and tools that are necessary for your business. Revoke access immediately if you stop using any of these integrations. Backing up your Shopify store is also essential. If anything goes wrong, backups allow you to recover quickly without losing important data. Finally, learn how to spot phishing emails and fake login pages. Most security breaches happen when someone clicks the wrong link. So awareness is key. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.